somebody loves you back. We go to your body is so la vacanza. My love like Bado. We belong together. My love for each other.
I am excited and humbled at this opportunity to serve. I'm excited because it affords me an opportunity to be able to make my quota in making the world better.
Baby, do something.
I've always seen Lion DEBO as AFOLAYAN as a mentor. He's a wonderful person, a great leader. I call him Professor because he's well grounded and the way he makes his deliveries is always wonderful. So he's a very great man and I look forward to seeing him doing the best in our district.
Listen, oh shame me.
And to the glory of God, to have the honor to strike the law for the first time as governor of District 404 B4 Nigeria. I subscribe.
And I feel very happy to be part of these celebrations. Today, being public representative of Lion Pharmacist Adebowale Afolayan, MGF, NSCF, as the third district governor of District 404 B4 Nigeria for 2025-2026 Lion Service year. Today's event is 3 in 1, in fact, multiple events. One is to also publicly present Lion Pharmacist Adebowale Afolayan as district governor to the public in Nigeria at large, and 2, to also call for support donations towards the community service project that intend to equally carry out during the course of the year for 2025-2026 Lion Service year.
The Reading Action Program is something we're going to be focusing on. We hope to bring back the reading clubs in schools so that people don't get too carried away with the tech. Reading is the fundamental source of learning.
He's very committed, very dependable, and very, very articulate. He has good for this job. He has served in so many capacities. First as a club president, club as also as a zone chair, region chairs, district chief of protocol. We also served together in so many. As a member of a GAR team, I remember then he was GAT. We call him Professor.
President General, President General, President General. Ogala, Mokawasuke, Kawanyasuke. Iyafu Presido, Presido Sawo, no. President General among the Presido, Eva, Presido. Kawasuke phone, Kawasuke phone,
There will be channels for networking, and then we believe with his knowledge, with his experience and knowledge in all areas of his specialization, we know we will move this district forward.
President General, President General, President General. Ogala, Mokawasuke.
It's actually a big plus for us because he understands the Leos the more. He's our father and he's a leader.
Odogu silencer, Ogade she transfer, Ogala she transfer.